Hello, so this is how to say I live in a particular country. It's going to vary in French depending on whether the country is masculine or feminine. So, if the country is feminine, use en. If the country is masculine, use au. Je means I, j'habite means I live. We have to put the apostrophe because habite starts with an H. Now, this is how it goes. If you wanted to say, I live in England, you'd have to say, j'habite en Angleterre, because Angleterre in French is feminine. But if you wanted to say, I live in Wales, you'd have to say, j'habite au Pays de Galles, because Pays de Galles is masculine. How do I know if countries are masculine or feminine? That's a difficult question. But generally, countries ending in E tend to be feminine, and the ones who don't tend to be masculine. However, there are exceptions to the rule, so you have to be a bit careful. The best way is to learn it by heart, or to check in the dictionary, or with your teacher. And there you have it, how to say I live in French.